I should have been here. I should have been out of here a long time ago. But if you watch the previous video, and I was mentioning, I am not a trader. I am a market analyst. And when I analyzed the market in the previous video, I told you guys that I knew, yes, I knew, high probability that market was going to, should I tell you what the trade was? Of course, that market was going to move to the downside. It took a while. Previous video of the morning was awesome, and guess what? We had an awesome afternoon trade per my legacy futures trading strategy. I tell you, I keep repeating this on and off. Market behaves how market behaves. And when you understand the market, when you analyze the market, being a trader is way easier. Market hit a support target zone and boom, bounce right back. And check out the video. You're gonna love it. And if you don't love it, I don't know what's wrong with you. Love you guys. Check it out. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so here we are. I told you earlier that
order submitted.
That market was going to do whatever it's doing right now, and 509
order filled.
Okay, we're in, and we have here I wasn't gonna do this, but I tend to. I've been doing other stuff. Bad energy I have here. Not here, here. Let me get this out of the way. Do not plot. Pop, pop, pop. We have. Let me say what we have here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Pop, because 1 minute is already being too crazy. We mentioned that, oh shoot, this trade already happened. We have a high, we have a low. Oops, market just hit that support zone. I might be in trouble here. This is what happens when you don't make the full analysis. I'm making the full analysis right here with you guys, but I am not worried. Voy ahora a un break. Students texting me here and there. Okay, so that's done, and now we're gonna go to the 15-minute chart then. 15-minute chart. I was going through the 15-minute chart instead of the but that was my bad. That's my bad still. So market is gonna go here, and oh, I love this. I really love this. Why? Because porque, and I'm making the analysis right here with you guys. Wow. Okay, so we have here, this is day in, day out, all day long. Support, resistance, target zones. I got a little bit cocky here. I told these guys I was gonna sell the market when we had another sell setup. Well, that sell setup went by, but this is not the end of the world. Swap, market should hit this resistance zone, and we have down here a support zone, that blue a rectangle here, and we have a target zone, that green square right there. There are obviously other considerations I take before taking a trade. I mentioned this is a horrible trade because I didn't do the proper analysis, and that's on me. However, me making the analysis right here, sharing this with you guys, I say okay, no harm done, no problem. We have a major entry level here, minor entry level, I'm sorry. Yes, we have a potential move to the upside. Yes, if that happens, this would be a disaster. But you know what? I know that market will push towards that target zone, support zone. Why? Because ¿por qué? Let's just wait and see. And I'm crossing my fingers as I say this. Gloop. And here we go. But what do I know? I should have closed this trade. Anyway, market retesting this support zone. This is a weaker support zone right here, and they should push towards that other major support. Well, major than this one. Okay, this one is the strongest one of both of them, and we have a target zone that goes tied in with this support zone. Right, what the heck are you talking about? Well, if you study my legacy futures trading strategy, you are going to understand what the heck I am talking about. The thing is, this is an awesome trade. I was done, but still I'm here reading a few stuff, watching some videos, taking care of some people. Wait a second, sorry. Through the chat. I should have been out of here a long time ago, but since I'm still here, and I told you earlier on that I was going to wait for a sell setup, even though I later said, you know what, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go and take a ride in La Gatita. Well, no, I'm still here, and we have 15 points right there. Right, what is your trading goal? What is your trading plan? You know what it is. So I'm gonna grab 20 points out of this. Come on. Fill me up. So close. You know what? I'm gonna close this. Come on, 15 points. Okay, no worries. Now they're gonna. They always go near the support target zone, and you say, why did they bounce so quickly out of that? Because they are taking profits. Everyone that sell, like me, they are taking profits, and I'm gonna grab 15 points out of this move. We had an awesome 20 something point earlier on, so this is icing on the cake. Come on.
Target filled.
Catching target filled again. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Ra, why are you so excited? So much energy on a Monday morning. Well, actually, it's Monday afternoon already. But what I enjoy the most, let me go to the 1 minute chart. And we had it right here. Hello. Okay, right here. We have. Well, I'm not gonna complain. We got another awesome trade. And my YouTube producer is gonna say like, right, you said you were done. Yeah. So back entry, my mistake. Let's go over the trade as soon as I do this. You know the drill. we have here NASDAQ sell setup pop. We have entry, we have 2 contracts at 24,508. I am going to take this 75, okay, because it's the worst one of the two. Okay, I don't want to grab $5 more out of the move. So we have target, right? What the heck is it? We have target, 2 contracts at 24,525, and that equals how much quanto por qué? That's 8.5 points. 8.5 points. Pop. We have total trade. ¿Cuánto es? 8.5 times 2, that's 17. I always got great grades in math. 8.5, 17 points, which equals 17 and 17, that is 34. So we have $340. Why? Because ¿por qué? You know that market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Boom! Another awesome legacy futures trading strategy trade. Woo! And my mistake, my bad. Market has it. Espérate. Ahora sí. There we go. So, market, we have minor entry exit level. And we're doing this in a 1 minute chart. But you know how that goes. Pop, 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 pop. Market hit the support zone. Okay. Ramon, you mess it up. Because market bounce. We have a mini entry level right there. Right above that support zone. We have that resistance level right there. It's no coincidence, guys. Market will do this day in and day out. Market bounce off the support zone. Boom. Exactly where you saw that. Resistance level. Then what market did? FOAP, follow it. FOAP again, close to the mini entry level, bounce right back, retested that resistance zone. Then what it did? FOAP straight to support zone. He held this 3 minutes. It was, I told you, this was a weak support zone because it's a lower support zone. And market then what? Boom, straight to target and larger support zone. I could explain this day in and day out. I can reset everything and take yet another trade, but you know what? I told you since this morning, Ra wants to go in La Gatita to drive around town. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do right after this video. Woo! What a wonderful, wonderful trade. Oh, this is glorious. Thank you, Lord. I hope you enjoy this video. Hopefully you watched the previous video where I said I am going to wait for a proper legacy futures trading strategy setup, and that's exactly what we had here. Another perfect legacy futures trading strategy trade setup by the book. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. I messed it up in step number 4, which is what? Let me know in the comments. Step number 4 is price action. Confirm the setup with price action. I entered the trade here. I entered the trade before the mini entry level, but market rejected that resistance zone, exactly what I was expecting, and then boom and boom. Should have been way more points. How many points do I look for? Very important. Trading goal, trading plan, 15 to 20 points. We grabbed 17 out of this move, so this has been an awesome start of the week, and it's just Monday 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna turn off the computer, because if not, I'm gonna keep on trading and I wanna just hang out outside. It's a beautiful day, so I'll show you some pictures in the next one. Wanna learn my trading strategy? You wanna join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. Let me see, where is the script, what I should be saying. You know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife day traders. Have a great one. Catching.